All right, so I just got finished with my operation to get my port installed so the chemotherapy can be easily administered. Right now, it's all like scarred up, cut up, but it'll be almost, you won't even know it's really there. And then every time they go in to inject me with the chemotherapy, they're going to just go right into this port. It just helps the body absorb it better. I was awake during the whole thing. They did obviously pain medicine to make sure I didn't feel anything, but I mean, I felt them tugging and pushing. But the whole crew here at Emory Decatur Hospital, they were fantastic. I mean, very entertaining. I had a great time. I mean, I know that that sounds a little bit weird for an operation, but it was it was quite enjoyable. I had a good time. So anyway, this is done. It looks ugly now, but it should look better in a few days. And yeah, that's the first part of getting ready for chemotherapy. All right, keep you posted on what's next.